Alright, LAPD is stalking in helicopter as I'm up, putting on clothes. This is stalking. And it's also interference with quiet enjoyment. They know my every move. Remember, engineered lights on my ceilings and on my walls. This is demonic. And it's pursuant to real-time surveillance, 24/7. It's the incrimination of a demon stalking in the parking lot with lights on. This is the P.O.C. This is the demonic system. The people of the state, everybody at this property that's living at the crime scene, participating in federal group stalking monitoring with the state of California, they're all going to federal prison. That's called relevant positioning and light activity. That's a demon that's engaging in surveillance in the parking lot, stalking in the path with a method of light. There are no coincidences in the specific environment. This is where the light source is present, and that is Rita Vega's son. He's going to federal prison. His brother's going to federal prison. His mom is going to federal prison. And that was criminal activity in concert with the state. Dominic Choi is going to be prosecuted. The people of the state that are documented engaging in this system for a term of years, they've been engaged in an identical pattern of conduct. It is demon possession. That's what I'm exposing, while a demonic system is underway, and it's criminal surveillance. By the way, this is what speaker companies is engaging in when I'm in the workplace. By the way, everybody working for speaker companies is going to federal prison, as are everybody living at this crime scene. The entity is engaged in a sex offense. That's a sex offender, and a demon-possessed one that's engaged in criminal surveillance and federal stalking on the venue of the internet. You have the impossibility that there be any coincidence while the entity is stalking in helicopters everywhere that I go. And you have the elements of monitoring and in sync with that entity that's flying over my apartment. While I am up, as soon as I get up and I put clothes on my body, the entity is maintaining real-time footage of me on camera. These sex offenders know what I'm doing while they're keeping the elements of monitoring underway in concert with the entity that's stalking in helicopters, surrounding my apartment, surrounding the workplace where I go, and they're all going to federal prison. So I want you to understand what demon possession behaves like. This is the spirit of a sex offender. This is the spirit of a stalker. This is the spirit of a psychopath. Just walking right into the building, and this is what the entire population is engaging in. You only need one to come out engaged in the P.O.C. It is easily accomplished also when you have a random demon that'll just drive up crossing path on Alvarado Street. Okay, the only difference between the people of the state that live here and the people of the state that are maintaining presence, for example, at Silverview Townhomes, or for example, crossing a path, engaging in the pacing by driving up and down Alvarado Street, while a fake sun remains over me all day long, and while right now engineer light is on my ceiling. I've already captured the impossible light activity in my apartment. The pattern of the blinds is already captured on the ceiling. That's exactly where it's at every night. Where an entity is stalking in the path with helicopters, the LAPD are fully exposed as engaging in nothing other than stalking me in helicopters with my every move and everything that I do on communication devices. That is indeed the identical pattern of conduct that I have exposed consistently for years. The demon-possessed are acting in sync. Light activity, relevant positioning, amplified audible activity, also knowledge of what I do as I do it. That was a sex offense. While I'm putting clothes on my nude body, all of the entity knows that, and the demons like to engage in the elements of monitoring with my every move. Okay? At this early hour, 4:42, a demon stalking in a parking lot, engaging in what is the demonic pattern of conduct, which is accomplishing group stalking. This is accomplishing criminal surveillance by the state of California. The state of California is going to be put on the map for engaging in what is not only criminal surveillance, but the satanic system of federal group stalking and monitoring. It is currently 4:43 a.m. on Friday, July 19, 2024. This is P.O.C.